I'm back with another Halloween look. Looking like a pumpkin with glitter on it. Make sure you guys continue to watch and see how I turn myself into a glitter pumpkin. Love y'all. I first start off by moisturizing my face. Next, I'm going to be using a glue stick to glue my eyebrows down. The squiggly line does not have to be perfect. Just squiggle it all the way down your face. Squiggly. Now I'm going to conceal my eyebrow as best as I can with concealer in a light shade, which is Cool Tan. Ooh, no eyebrow. Look at me. I'm setting my eyebrows with Airspun. It is a loose powder from Walmart, very affordable. I'm drawing a triangle over my eye. It's oversized, very big oversized triangle. I want to cover my eye all the way up and my brow. Oops. I'm going to be filling in the oversized triangle with black paint. I continue to build up the black paint so it'll cover up the loose powder. I'm going to clean up the bottom of the triangle just so it looks cleaner at the bottom. I'm using a wipe just to do that. Going in with the orange paint now. I'm like, whoa, because I'm starting to look more tangerine than an actual pumpkin. There's a lot of little details in this look that I'm adding in, so just enjoy. Check out these lashes coming up, you guys. They're from my lash line, and everybody that's ever seen them raves about them. They love how volumized they are. Let me know if you're interested. They finna drop soon. Thank you, Rowe Beauties, for tuning in for the 4th look of October. Love y'all. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe and like my page on Facebook, Beauty by Rowe. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your feedback, comment below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.